Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can recover the Genshin Impact password. For that, open your account in the web browser. So open a new tab and on the search bar type in genshin-impact.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the Genshin Impact. Here you need to click on the download option. This will direct you to the another page for now. Here you click on login option on the top right corner, and there for you to recover your account password, you need to click on forgot password option available just below the login. You click on forgot password. This will direct you to the MiHoYo page where a further process for recovering your Genshin password will take place. Before that, you need to provide your email address that you have used for your account. Click on next. Go through some verification process. Here you just need to click on the order for the verification. Click on OK. Before recovering your account, you need to verify your email address. Once you click on send code, a verification code will be sent to the email address of yours. Then you just need to copy the code and paste it on this empty text field and you will be able to move forward. So I'm just going to click on send code, and once you click on send code, you will have 60 seconds of time interval for you to copy and paste it on the text field. You can see there's 60 seconds. I'm going to go check my mail. You can see the mail on the very top. I'm going to copy this code in here and paste it on this empty text field and click on next. As I told you, you need to do it within a 60-second time period. Otherwise, you need to follow the process from the very beginning. I'm going to click on next. Now you will be able to recover your password by updating a new password for your account. I'm going to type in my password again, confirming the password by typing in the same password in here. Once you're done, you click on confirm, and with this you can see the changed in here. Your account password has been changed. Now if you want to make sure the update has been done or not, you can try logging into your account with the new password that you have just updated. I'm gonna get logged into my account by typing in the current updated password that I have recovered. Click on login, some verification process, click OK, and you can see I have been logged into my account. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can recover your Genshin Impact password. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon.